Hello, I'm Dr. Asit Arora. I'm the Principal Consultant and Chief of GI and HPB Oncosurgery at Max Super Speciality Hospital, Saket. Today we'll talk about gallbladder cancer. Now this is one of the most important and pertinent topic for us because India, especially the northern India, is the gallbladder capital of the world. We have the highest incidence reported world over. There have been a lot of studies about why this is happening here, and scientists have been working on this problem for many years now. Some reasons have come forth. Few of them are contaminated groundwater with heavy elements and pesticides, malnutrition and undernutrition, multiparity, and most importantly, the neglected symptomatic gallstones which have been left there for years. Now, what exactly is gallbladder? Gallbladder is a small organ which is attached to the undersurface of liver, and it is also attached to the bile duct. So the main function of gallbladder is to store bile and concentrate bile. By this function, it is a natural site of stone formation in our body, and because of the reasons that I cited above, there could be formation of cancer in this gallbladder. The symptoms of gallbladder cancer in initial phases could be very subtle and they are mostly overlooked. These symptoms could be a very mild dyspepsia or symptoms suggestive of gastritis, or they could be pain on the right side of the abdomen beneath your ribs. At times these symptoms will just mimic like the symptoms of gallstones. This is the reason why most of the patients don't seek any medical advice, and these symptoms are ignored for months and years at times. In the later stages of the gallbladder cancer, there could be very different symptoms. Patient can present with jaundice, they can have a lump in the right side of the abdomen, there could be pain in the back, in the spine, and there could be severe weight loss and loss of appetite. And when these symptoms occur, they are very nasty symptoms, and they usually indicate that tumor has gone beyond a certain stage. Your specialist will ask for certain tests to stage the gallbladder cancer, in which CT scan and PET scan are the main tests which will give us the staging of the disease. In early stages, when the gallbladder cancer is limited to the gallbladder or just to the liver, in these patients, surgery can be curative. The surgery will entail the removal of the gallbladder along with the part of affected liver and clearing the lymph nodes which are surrounding the gallbladder along the nearby vessels. Unfortunately, most patients present to us in advanced stages where surgery is usually not possible. In these situations, we can either give chemotherapy prior to surgery in an attempt to downstage the disease so that they can be resected. But in certain patients who are stage 4 cases in which cancer has spread far and wide to other parts of the body, unfortunately, chemotherapy is the only resort. So in gallbladder cancer, the most important thing is that we detect it early and we treat it aggressively with surgery. That is possibly the only hope that we have right now for gallbladder cancer patients. So I urge all the listeners and viewers that not to neglect any of the symptoms that I have described before and seek urgent medical advice if you have any of them. And if you have any further questions regarding gallbladder cancer, please ask them on the message box below. I would be more than happy to answer them, and kindly share this video for further circulation.